Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset taskbar settings in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start. Now type REGEDIT. Open Registry Editor. Now here expand HK local machine. Then expand software. Then expand Microsoft. Now here expand Windows. Now expand current version. Now here find out shelf. Now here find out shell and expand it. Then expand update. Now double click on packages. Now right click anywhere, new, select D32. Now here type undocking. Disabled. Then double click on it. Now make validator 1. Then press OK. Now close it and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve how to reset taskbar settings in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.